In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SEO meta, canonical URLs, and structured data in Ghost. Let's start by opening your browser and searching for Ghost CMS. From the results, click through to your Ghost site and sign in to your admin area. Once you're in, open an existing post you want to optimize, or create a new draft if you're starting fresh. With your post open in the editor, look to the top right corner and click the Settings icon to open the Post Settings sidebar. This panel is where Ghost keeps all the important details for SEO and sharing. Scroll down until you find the metadata section. Here you'll see fields for a custom meta title and meta description, along with a live preview that shows how your post might appear on a search engine results page. Enter a concise, descriptive meta title that clearly reflects the post's topic. Aim for something compelling and accurate. For the meta description, write a short summary that sets the right expectation for readers. Keep it natural and helpful. Include the main keyword or phrase if it fits, but avoid stuffing. The preview is your friend. Use it to check how your text will likely be truncated and adjust as needed. Next, locate the canonical URL field. Paste the full, preferred URL for this content, including the HTTP at the beginning. This tells search engines which version of the page is the original when similar content appears in multiple places, helping consolidate ranking signals and avoid duplicate content issues. Only set a canonical if there truly is an original version you want to point to. When you're happy with the meta fields, save your changes or publish the post. Saving ensures your SEO updates are stored even if you're not ready to go live. If you want to include additional structured data, go back to the editor for your post and add an HTML card. This card lets you inject custom code safely into the page. Use it to add JSON LD structured data, which is the format most search engines prefer. Paste your JSON LD inside the card and make sure it's wrapped in script tags set to application LD plus JSON. Double-check that your JSON is valid, your quotation marks are straight quotes, and the fields accurately describe the content of your post, like headline, author, date, and any relevant entities. When that's in place, save or publish the post again. Your meta title, meta description, canonical URL, and structured data are now integrated. That's it. Simple, effective, and aligned with best practices to help your Ghost content perform better in search.